Hello, it's me Miguel. Ciao ciao. How are you guys doing today? So we are back in England, in Southampton at the moment, and I've just come up onto the Itchen Bridge because there's going to be a Battle of Britain memorial flight. So as you can see, one of the planes has just come into sight now, and we're slightly out the way here. I don't know how far this way they're going to come, but I thought I'd come and try and capture a little bit of footage for you guys. First vlog since I got back from Malta. So yeah, hopefully we get some nice aerodynamic aeroplanes. I don't know what you would call it, some aeroplane displays up in the sky here. I don't know if they're going to release smoke from the back of the planes, but I've seen that kind of thing before, so hopefully that's what they'll do. Some big hearts in the sky with the coloured smoke, with the red, white and blue smoke. Yeah, we've got a bit of a time frame here. We've got 30 more minutes is the time window that they're going to be doing their displays in. I can see one plane coming back around now. As you can see, it's a really beautiful day out here today. Really nice and hot weather. These patchy clouds, which work really good for time lapsing. I love these kind of clouds. Lots of blue sky. Not sure how many planes there's going to be. It's just seen one for the moment, but I'm pretty sure that there's going to be a collective of them flying about the city for the next 30 minutes, or at least this part of the city. As you can see, there's the football stadium over here. We've got St Mary's Church in the background over there. There's St Mary's flat up there, painted in the Saints colours. This is the Southampton football ground. Yes. There's more of them over here. So to the right of the church there, you can see the clock tower in the civic centre. The train tracks run along this part here. Not sure where there's planes to support. So over here we've got this is like a Woolston area. Over in the background there, that's like a Western, where you see that big block of flats in the distance. And then just down to the right here is Ocean Village. That's where the nicer part of the city is, where everyone moors their boats outside their houses, their yachts and stuff. 5, I believe. Well, yeah, that's the start of the new forest over there as well. It's quite nice, quite a big forest on the outskirts of the city. So the ladies just said that they are Spitfire planes. I don't actually know very much about it, other than that it's the Battle of Britain Memorial. I just read a small article on it. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It's quite loud up on the bridge here. Yeah, we're just going to hold tight to see if another plane or collective of planes comes back around. Maybe I'll pause the vlog if it stays quiet for too long. But it's quite a small time window. Let's see what the time is now. It's 20 past. So we've still got 25 minutes on the allotted time slot for these Spitfire memorial flights. Yeah, it's lovely to be out here. It's gorgeous weather after such a cold winter. Well, I didn't see all of the winter here because I was in Cyprus and then Malta. It's still been very bitter. So the weather's finally starting to turn now, which is really nice. Yeah, it seems to have vanished on us. Calming, relaxing to be up here. It's always nice to be by the water. Nice fresh breeze up on the top of the bridge here. Someone out in their kayak. They got the right idea. Like being out on the water. So good for them. Good for them. Sure where these planes are right now, so maybe I'm going to pause the vlog and I'll come back to it in a minute when we're going to see a little bit more action. Right, chat. Okay guys, still no action. It's just been one flyby at the moment. There's only 6 minutes left of the allotted time, so I'm not so sure that they're going to come back around now. We'll find out in a minute. We've got 5 more minutes, but I thought I'd check back in with you guys again, talk a little bit about my plans. So I think sort of mid-term plan is going to be to get myself qualified to teach English and then head over to the UAE and to temporarily help some people to learn to speak English, because the wages over there are extremely high. So that's going to give me a bit of staying power when it comes to traveling, so I can head over to Asia and stuff, or to India or to South America or whatever it is, and I'll have plenty of money in the bank with not too much work put in. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do 3 to 6 months over in the United Arab Emirates, take some of their ridiculously high wages, help some people out when it comes to learning a language, and then head off and travel. So in the meantime, I've got a friend out in Gibraltar. I've got another friend who I met in Cyprus, Georgie, you might remember him. He lives really close to Gibraltar, like 15 minutes outside of the city or something like that. So I'm guessing it's like the next city across. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. But and also a little further along east, along the south coast, is Granada, which is a really beautiful part of Spain. And again, I have some really good friends out that way. I spent a little bit of time there before I was filming. I travelled out there before, saw the hot springs, and I had a hanging bridges, and yeah, there's like a red palace out there. So there's just some really charming, beautiful stuff out there. It's gorgeous weather, some lovely people out there. So I think my plan is going to be to see if I can sort of plan this right, so I can maybe spend maybe a few weeks to a month and just work my way along southern Spain and Gibraltar there, and to visit 3 separate groups of friends, and just to see what footage I can capture for you guys. One of my friends has lived out in Gibraltar for like 10 years now. We grew up in the same area, so it'd be really nice to catch up with them. It would be amazing to see Georgie as well, because it must be in about 6 months or something now. We love Georgie, so that would be amazing. And yeah, and then the group of friends that I made out in Granada will also be good to catch up with them, and hopefully get you guys to some of the best sites out that way. So yeah, I'm thinking that I can make a nice little run of it, and it's not going to cost me too much more than maybe the odd hostel and the cost of the flights. The flight isn't too long either, so that's not so bad. Maybe I can even get us up into Gibraltar Rock. Really young, went up there with my dad and my mum a long time ago. Maybe my first time out of the country. It's a little bit too young to pick up the travel bug then, but I remember bits of it considering I was so young. But yeah, this memorial flight, it's not like the one I saw before. The red arrow display was really quite amazing, but it seems to have just been one flyby at the moment. There's only 2 more minutes left of the allotted time here, so pretty sure that might be the end of it. So I've done the best that I can. I mean, it's beautiful out here anyway. We managed to see one flyby, soak up a little bit of sunshine, a little cool breeze, a few boats, get familiarised with the city of Southampton a little bit. Of course, made famous for the place that the Titanic set sail from. I'm not sure what year that was, but this is where it left on its fateful journey. Yeah, there are some charming bits of the city. We got the old city walls and some old churches and stuff. I did capture a vlog a while back, before I really launched English Amigo. So maybe I'll upload that footage, or maybe I'll just take another walk around the city at some point. Capture it a little bit better, I imagine. And I've had a little bit of experience. I've been out a few times. It's been quite a nice turnout on the bridge, really. I wasn't expecting to see anyone else out here, but as you can see, I mean, there's people all along the bridge. People have started to head back now. Which I think we are about to do in a minute. Yeah, it's officially 1:45. which is the allotted time. It said from like 5 to 1 until 1:45. So I mean, it's just a memorial flight, but at least we got to see one Spitfire fly overhead. I'm not sure where they disappeared to. They've gone up to catch up with the SpaceX guys by the looks of it. I just see them go up. Well, we saw them go up, but now they've vanished. People are out on their little yachts. Perfect day for it. Just a gentle breeze, lots of sunshine, some of those beautiful patchy clouds. So yeah, I mean, it hasn't been the most exciting of flybys, but I mean, it is what it is. I've done my best to capture what I could for you guys. I've definitely got the right idea of being out in the water. But yeah, alright guys, I think we're going to wrap it up there. I don't think we're going to see them again. So hopefully you've enjoyed what you've seen. There's a little update from me since arriving back from Malta and the plans going ahead. Sort of short term, medium term. There's the train going past there. See that? So yeah, plan update, short term, medium term, and slightly longer term by the time I'm qualified to teach the English and I've taken a bit of work, got some money in the bank, then I can head into Asia. I think would be the likely place. But I mean, we've got India on the way, which is another destination which I want to give a nice amount of time to travel around. I mean, it's a beautiful parts of the country, amazing people, amazing foods. So we're going to see what we can do to travel around. I mean, if I do 6 months in the UAE, all I've got to pay for is rent while I'm out there, and some food and stuff. I can live pretty cheap and I can earn like really high comparatively. So yeah, that's really going to set me up for potentially a year or two of travel. Just to get in the bank from there. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. Hope you enjoyed what we managed to see of it, and I will check in with you on the next one. Alright, peace and love guys. Ciao.